Okay. Okay. Damn, girl.
The Smith House welcomes you. This will be a channel for reactions. I have a few rules here, which are to be kind, respectful, and no spoilers. Fail to follow these rules and find yourselves kicked out. For those who fall in love with my content, I have a Patreon account which will have exclusive content, early access, blocked YouTube videos, recommendation prioritization, movies, and much, much more. If you find yourselves interested, I'll have a link in the description on any of my videos, but also on the home page description. Now let's get started, shall we? Welcome back. Today I'll be reacting to Cat and Tiger by Axion. We'll be doing a lyric video and a performance video for this song. So let's get straight into it, shall we? Oh, okay. We're going hard. Oh, like it took a pause. Oh. That was fun. That's true. I'll stay in the little blinky. Fort. Action. Oh. Oh, no. I like melted ice cream though. What do they say? Talking about Starlight, like a vein? Okay, sure, let's. Oh. Well, it's true I didn't go back. Oh, aggressive. I don't know. Okay, well, they're coming after someone. Damn. That sounds like a pop can opening. This does not seem like a good situation. Okay, someone seems very hurt. Okay. Dangerous. I'm not being honest. Please stay with me. Don't laugh. It's serious. Like, this sounds like a toxic situation we got going on. Oh, India. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, attitude in her voice. When like picked up the pace. This is so contrasting between the sounds. Oh my god. And it starts building back up. It's like an aggressive mystery.
Liar.
The liar. This part is so like pounding. And like sharp. Like this is like the roar. Oh, are we crushing on somebody? I'm not really sure what the song is about. Oh, back down. I don't know. Going after which one? Have that conviction. Hey, that's fine. Okay. Oh, meow! That sounded like destruction. This is so theatrical. Oh, you like the attention? Get her all pumping. Tiger. Are we talking about like overcoming fear? Like maybe? Mm? I'm not really sure if I liked this song too much. I don't really think it was cohesive. Like it felt like we just like switched, and it wasn't like there was no blend into the switch. Like we got this like aggressive punchy, and then we went to this like almost soft ballady almost kind of sound, and then we have what I would have called the blend after. And I was just a little confused at the construction of the song. But, you know, to each your own, you know? Alright, let's head to the performance video now, shall we? Witching start? She's like, hello! Oh, nice little slow pose. Look at that walk. Ooh, the ripple went straight to the instrumentals. Okay, I am loving the attitude and their body movement. Oh. Okay. Oh, that was cool. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that they like paired off with these little kind of like tiny sections, like these two now, these two now, these two. That was cool. And the choreography is really being timed well with the instrumentals. It's cool. I like that. I wish that formation came more seamlessly though. Hello, not. Oh, yeah. Dramatic time. Seriously, the ripples in this song are amazing. Yes, love good hand choreography. Straight to the aggressiveness. Whoa, that's so fast paced. They just get that little moment before they join back in. Ooh, a V. Ooh, that was a cool hit move. She's got charisma. Like, my eyes go straight to her. Okay. Okay. Damn, girl. Oh, I like the little team up. Tiger. Oh, back to cutie. See, subtle movements are just the bomb. There's some real highlights in this choreography.
Liar.
Liar. I love that the whisper that. Seriously, even the choreography is aggressive for this part. The facial expressions. They're like, hey. They are very synced up. Oh, that was a cool up, down. I love how they flowed. Oh. Ooh, the walk. That was cool. Seriously. Oh, that was cool. Ooh. Yes. Like, show it off. Ooh, our turn. Ooh, yeah, they be hitting it. Wow. Okay, the choreography for this song is amazing. With the little bounce at the end. This was phenomenal choreography. Like, I had very little to critique. Very little. I was just impressed. And the girls nailed it. It's so fast paced and like hard hitting, but they were able to move into formations very seamlessly, which created this like such a cool effect. And they really played around with formations in this, which made the dance performance so dynamic and like you just couldn't take your eyes off them. I couldn't. No siree. I liked it. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the performance more than I did the song. Alrighty, I'll leave it with it on that note. I'll see y'all next time. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. If you love this video, I would like to remind you that I have a Patreon account which will have early access, exclusive content, blocked YouTube videos, recommendation prioritization, movies, and much, much more. If you found yourself interested, a link can be found in any of my video descriptions, but also on my homepage description. Now that is all for the Smith House. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.